As an organization, Our Land's core objective is to expand and protect natural spaces. The first main activity, which is floating down the river. You're just in the water, in your life jacket, floating down river for 40 minutes, and then doing a jungle walk and eventually arriving at the Our Land Reserve.
What I really liked about this trip was probably like floating down the river and getting to eat bee honey.
I learned a lot about how elephants were like a keystone species, and I found that so interesting because if like the entire elephant species is gone, like 60-70% of the entire like forest would be gone, and I don't think we understand how much weight just an elephant carries.
So we took students to a mining site where a whole limestone hill is being mined away. So they could see that on the left side of the hill was completely intact. You could see that literally if more concrete was needed, the whole hill would just slowly eat away and be destroyed.
So we led an invertebrate study with the students and give the kids a chance to look at a primary forest and then to visit the ISB plot that they've done such incredible work to protect. My best experience of this trip with the kids might have been this last project planning. It was very incredible to see the kids have those light bulbs go off and put together everything that they've learned over these past few days, how they can take this experience with them and hopefully become the little eco warriors I think they're all destined to be.